The top 5 business technology news stories from the past week. Number 5. Google launched Gemini, its powerful AI model that Google says can surpass GPT-4. Gemini is a multimodal AI, meaning it can understand things like text, images, and audio. Google posted a video showing the impressive AI.
Which way should the duck go?
Going left leads to a duck, which is a friend. Going right leads to a bear, which is a foe. It is better to make friends than foes, so the duck should go left.
Smart choice.
This is a picture of a crab.
That's right. Is this the right order?
No, the correct order is Sun, Earth, Saturn.
Based on their design, which of these would go faster?
The car on the right would be faster. It is more aerodynamic. The video demonstrating some of Google Gemini's best interactions may not be entirely real. While Gemini appears to be able to do the things that Google shows in the video, it isn't able to do them live and in the way the video implies. The video was a series of carefully tuned text prompts with still images selected to mislead viewers about the speed, accuracy, and fundamental mode of interaction with the model. Number 4. Spotify announced they were laying off 17% or roughly 1,500 of their staff. Additionally, their CFO Paul Vogel will be exiting as CEO Daniel Ek noted the two had come to the conclusion that Spotify is entering a new phase and needs a CFO with a different mix of experiences. Layoffs were done in an attempt to cut costs and become profitable. Spotify posted a net loss of roughly $500 million US between January and September 2023. Number 3. Agility Robotics is building a manufacturing facility in the United States that will eventually pump out 10,000 bipedal robots a year. Agility Robotics Digit is the first commercially available human-shaped robot designed for warehouse work. Deliveries of the robots will start in 2024, and companies such as Amazon are already testing these robots. Number 2. Scientists from Tufts University in Medford, Massachusetts, have developed tiny robots called anthrobots made of human cells capable of repairing damaged neural tissue. The scientists think that anthrobots made from a person's own tissue could be used to clear arteries, break up mucus, or deliver drugs with or without genetic engineering. Anthrobots could have applications in sustainable construction and outer space exploration. Number 1. Reliable Robotics Corp. has flown a small cargo plane without a human on board. The 12-minute flight, made with a plane on loan from FedEx, was Reliable Robotics' second automated flight. The startup is working to gain full approval from the FAA. Its system will restrict remote pilots to only supervising one aircraft at a time rather than managing multiple autonomous flights. Remote piloting will boost efficiency and allow planes to be repositioned more easily to match where demand is strongest.